Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to show you how to use this tool here, the selection tool, to make your images absolutely pop and look sick. So let's get straight on to this. So I'm going to paste in this picture of Lionel Messi, which we were going to edit to show how to make it pop. So I'll just make it a bit bigger. Okay, there we go. Anyway, let's get on with this. So what we're going to do is use the selection tool, and we're going to select just Lionel Messi and the Ballon d'Or trophy. So I'll go ahead and do that by using the selection tool. I'm currently just using brush size 9. Just do a rough one, just all the way down here. Select all of Messi, like so. He happens to be wearing a checkered shirt, which makes it a little harder. Okay, now I've selected pretty much all of them. I've made a few mistakes, so you want to click over here on the subtract, and I'm just going to go in and subtract all the bits that aren't actually Leo himself, like so. There's a bit there, down there, and then just re-add if you go back over. Okay, missing a bit of his hair. Okay, now I've selected all the bit I want. I'm going to now do the thing we're here to do, which is make this bit stand out of the image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to select, and then we're going to press invert pixel selection. So now the pixel selection is picking the background up rather than the foreground and Messi and his Ballon d'Or. And then we're going to come over here to these tools, and then we can have a bit of fun and play around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it black and white. So now the background has gone black and white, which automatically makes Lionel Messi stand out a bit, so that's cool. We can also add some other effects, change a lot of things, so just play around with it. Let's maybe change the exposure a bit, mess around, too bright, keep going, a little bit darker, that looks good to me. Mess around with the stuff till you're happy, and then obviously clear the selection, and ba-boom! Just like that, you have an image that really stands out. Obviously, you could add some more things, maybe outline Messi, stuff like this. But already, within 2 quick steps, you've got an image that looks amazing and ready to share. So, that's today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button. And why not share this video on social media so anyone else who needs help with this can find this video and get the help they need. Tell me in the comment sections below any tutorials you'd like to see in future. Make sure you put them down below, and I'll try and get them out as soon as possible. If you're new to the channel, why not click that subscribe button for more tutorials every week. And as always, I've been here on Learn with Lou. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Used to play on my long life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't thought this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please?